In this video, I'm going to be solving two simultaneous equations using the substitution method. So I'm going to be solving simultaneous equations 2x plus 4y equals 12 and 3x minus 9y equals 3. So the first step is to choose one of the equations and decide which of the variables you're going to make into the subject. So I'm going to pick the first equation, 2x plus 4y equals 12, and I'm going to rearrange this to make x the subject. So subtracting 4y on both sides, dividing by the 2, I get that x is equal to 6 minus 2y. The next step is to substitute this expression into the other equation. So since I rearranged the first equation, I need to substitute this into the equation 3x minus 9y equals 3. So I take the x and I just replace it with 6 minus 2y, putting this in brackets. And from here I need to solve this expression to find y. So I start by expanding the brackets. 3 times the 6 is 18. 3 times minus 2y is minus 6y. And then I have minus 9y equals 3. So combining the minus 6y minus 9y gives me minus 15y. On the right hand side I have the 3, but I have to subtract the 18 from the other side, which gives me minus 15. Dividing both sides by minus 15, I get that y is equal to 1. And then the final step is to substitute this value of y back into the equation that I got from step 1. So this gives me x equals 6 minus 2 times 1, which gives me x is equal to 4. And I can perform a quick check by substituting these into both of the original equations. So 2x plus 4y equals 12. Replacing the x with 4 and the y with 1 gives me that 12 is equal to 12, so this equation is satisfied. Substituting into the second equation, 3x minus 9y equals 3. This gives me 3 times 4 minus 9 times 1 equals 3, or 3 is equal to 3. So this equation is also satisfied. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1.